like the Russians, the Iranians, disinformation. On the other side of Biden, though, Trump was on his game, and folks, it was glorious. Trump explained why Biden is wrong for America and what Trump has done for America. Trump time and again said, "You're all talk. You're all talk. You get nothing done. Why didn't you do it, Joe?" Then Joe said, "Well, why didn't we had a Republican Congress?" Sometimes, Joe, you got to talk them into it. I had a Democrat Congress I had to work with, and I got it done. I could. Well, that was another killer moment in the debate when Biden thinks he's going to score big points by blaming everything not getting done on the Republicans. Criminal justice reform, and Trump said, "Well, Joe, I've had nothing but Democrat opposition. The Democrats are opposing me on COVID legislation. We're trying to get money to the American people, Joe, and your party's standing in the way. Nancy Pelosi doesn't want me to get any credit for it. And so the American people are going in trouble." I had trouble with Republicans. Yeah, well, I've gotten some things done with the Democrats. We're going to get this done, Joe. You wait. Sometimes you have to talk them into it. I mean, Trump was strong. Biden was weak. He was Trump. Trump was Trump all night, but he was also restrained.